I've always been an outdoor person, I don't like to being sitting in one place and doing my work. I always want to be out. Since I had my disease, that changed everything, The outlook on my life all changed a lot. And I've done things, but I've done them in a different manner. Since I've been transferred in a wheelchair, has not at all hampered me in any way. I still love going outdoors, and I've been extremely fond of sports. Now I love watching sports on TV since my disease. Watching the two sporting idols, Federer and Tiger. Watching them in action gives me a lot of motivation also. And that's why I've never ever missed the matches, be it watching it live on TV or watching it on the internet. You have to set goals to be motivated. Unless you do not have any goals in life, I wouldn't say that motivation would be quite difficult in my case. It's like whenever I do swimming, to set that I have to do a number of laps or lengths, 20, 30. It feels very nice to be on your own and to be free and to do swimming on your own. And I see non-handicapped people unable to swim, and when I see myself swimming, it gives me a great deal of satisfaction. It's very important that you always be positive when you're faced with an obstacle in life. I'm also very fond of music. I have my iPod and I listen to it mostly all the time. And movies, of course. In fact, a lot of movies motivate me. I name my presentation after them because I get very motivated by them. For some time, I guess I didn't do anything about it. I was just doing the normal activity. But then I realized that I have to go out and do things. I just cannot sit the whole day at a desk and do anything. That's not my cup of tea. I like to write articles. I used to write mostly on the way I live in a wheelchair. Now I have coped with a wheelchair, but over the years I have started writing various types of articles. Like I've written few on sports, and this is all sports titles inspire me. Music and religion and technology. My goal is to write a book, and I would intend to probably start the book by the end of the year. Another of my hobbies is going to the Toastmasters Club. It's gone a long way in helping me in my public speaking. Toastmasters is something very interesting and very unique, as it gives you a chance to polish your speaking and communication skills. I also got to know about W. Mitchell from the Toastmasters. He had a fiery motorcycle accident. 65% of his body was burnt in an airplane crash. He also lost the ability to walk. It's his philosophy on life which I've always followed, which is that it is not what happens to you, it is what you do about it. Friends would play a key role here because they've also never let me feel as I'm handicapped in any way. They've always thought of me that I can do anything, so that also really inspires me to be with my friends. And the place which I go to a lot is Dubai because it's very beach friendly and I have a lot of friends over there. And then I also go for Quran classes once a week, and my communication with God and having faith in Allah plays a key role in my being able to stay positive. Working on CSR would definitely be my ego on how to help other underprivileged children in their life. And there are many such examples that people who are in wheelchairs, they are blessed with having a greater amount of willpower in them, which allows them, gives them the ability to do something extra in life.